Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to measure your heart rate with the help of this Garmin Enduro 2 smartwatch. So let's start. Firstly, we need to press and hold this button in the middle of the screen to go in the main menu. And now just scroll and then click the settings icon, or you can just scroll up to open settings. And right here we need to find these tab sensors and click it. And now go in wrist heart rate and make sure that auto heart rate measurements are enabled, because if we disable it, it will disable heart rate, body battery, stress, and so on, and you will not be able to see any other settings. So let's enable it and go back in the main menu. And right here, just swipe up to open glances. And now we need to find this health tab, click it, and then click on heart rate. And now you will be able to see your heart rate at the moment, but you need to wear your watch for measurements to be more correct. And also, if you scroll up, you will see the results of the weekly measurements. So that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.